Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today I'm going to be taking us through the Jamb Cbt tutorial so that you know how to use the Jamb Cbt software when you're writing your Jamb. Immediately you get into the hall and you sit down, you'll be required to type in your Jamb registration number. Once you type in your Jamb registration number and you click enter, you will see a space like this. You will see something like this, which is how you start answering your Jamb. Please, before you continue, click on the subscribe button below so that you'll be the first to get our lecture videos whenever they come around. So once you put in your Jamb registration number, you will see an outlook like this. This outlook you're going to see will show you the 4 subjects that you're supposed to write. Like for this person, immediately after putting his registration number, he sees English, biology, chemistry and physics. Now if you want to start answering, you mustn't start from English. If you feel that chemistry is easier for you, you just go to chemistry here, you click on it. Once you click on it, you see this is question 1 of 50. So you have questions from 1 to 50. So if you feel A is the correct answer, you click on A, then you click on next. So this is question 2 of 50. If after reading it you feel that C is the answer, you click on C and you click on next. Now instead of answering the third question, if you feel that the first initial questions like 1, 3 or down are very difficult, you can quickly go and select question 40. You can see this is 40. The same thing you can do to any of the other subjects. So I click on 40. You can see this is question 40 of 50. So if I feel A is the answer, I click on A, then I click on next. This is 41. I read the question. If I feel B is the answer, I click on B, I click on next. So if I want to get back to the question 3, because I feel now that I've answered all the ones I know here, I can still click on 3. You see, this is question 3 of 50. I answer B as the answer, click on next, I continue answering. So if I've answered all the things I know in chemistry, the other ones I don't know very well, I can go to physics and continue answering from physics. So I click on physics. This is question number 1 of 50. If my answer is B, I click on B, then I click on next. So I continue. So I can pick any other question that I feel is simpler, maybe 27. I come to 27, click on it, then pick the answer and click next. Now if I'm done answering physics, I can get back to English language. If I feel I don't want to be answering the passages, or if I read the passage and I feel the answer is A, I click on A and click next. But if I feel that I don't want to be answering these passages, that is taking much time, I can go to question number 77. You can see 77 here. When I click on 77, it will take me to a question that does not have passage. So I can pick out the answer, then I click next. So I answer 78 as well. When I want to get back to number 2, I click on 2 again so that I can get back to the passages. So once I'm done answering all the questions and I feel that I've done well, then I can click on the submit. Once you click on the submit, your exam will be submitted to Jamb so that they can score you. So very, very important. Don't answer the subject that you don't know very well. Just go straight to you click here. This is chemistry. Any subject you feel that you have comparative advantage, that you know better, go to it and answer it first. Then when you're done, you can come back to English. You can answer English halfway, go to chemistry. When you're done in chemistry, you also come back to English and finish the remaining. So there is no hard and fast rule on how to approach the question. Better go to the one that you can answer first, then get back to the other one. So please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button on this video. Like this video, share it so that your friends can see it. When they see it, it will help them in answering Jamb and getting high score. So make sure, like I told you, you can always choose any subject you want by clicking these buttons and answering from the options that you know by clicking these other buttons down here, so that you make better score in your Jamb. So we're going to be stopping here to be continuing later on how to use Jamb Cbt practice.